Okay guys, a lot of people say how we can run multiple WhatsApp in one phone and particularly iPhone. So guys, let me tell you, there's no option to run multiple WhatsApp in one application. Yeah guys, there's no option. You can just run one WhatsApp in your iPhone using the app. But guys, there is a fix of that too. If you want to run multiple WhatsApp in one phone, then what you can do is you can just open Google Chrome and then open google.com and go to desktop mode or desktop side. Guys, this is the very important step. When you go to this, then just go to Google and search web WhatsApp. When you search it, then you'll see the first link of webwhatsapp.com. Then you go to that link. After going to that link, whatever WhatsApp you want to run in your phone, you have to run that WhatsApp in another phone first. Then what you have to do is you can just scan the QR, and by doing this, your WhatsApp will run in your iPhone in web interface. You can run more WhatsApp if you want by using another browser. When you are logged in into the WhatsApp using your QR, then it's done guys. You can just open the added WhatsApp using the browser, using the web interface, and the normal WhatsApp which is in your phone will also run in your app. That's a way to run multiple WhatsApp in one iPhone guys. There is no another way. WhatsApp doesn't provide us any kind of feature in its app. So yeah guys, I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, then subscribe this channel and I will see you guys on my next video. Till then, goodbye.